Google Nest Mini's sound output was rather impressive for the compact speaker, clear vocals and deep bass. At higher volumes, the sound was good enough for a medium-sized room. The speaker was able to pick my voice even when playing music at a higher volume. The connected device ecosystem is one of the fastest growing categories in India, with many companies launching smart speakers and voice assistant compatible devices. Amazon has been leading this space by launching a slew of smart speakers at different price points, offering something for everyone. Google too is getting aggressive as the company has launched a new entry-level smart speaker, Nest Mini, just a couple of months after the launch of the Nest Hub. Priced at 4,499 rupees, this competes directly with the Amazon Echo Dot with clock that displays time, temperature, timer and more. The Nest Mini is the entry-level model from Google in the smart speaker space. Having the same design language as the previous Home Mini, launched a couple of years ago. The circular speaker is 1.6-inch tall and 3.85-inch wide. The top house is a durable fabric layer, which Google claims has been made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. However, some controls have been embedded under the fabric, right side for volume up and left for volume down. There are 4 LED lights at the center that illuminates when the assistant is in action. Tapping on the top center can be used for pausing and playing the music. At the rear is the mic mute button that stops the speaker from listening. However, this isn't a portable speaker and the adapter has to be plugged in all the time. While one can place it on the table, there is a wall mount that can be used to hang it on the wall. Just like other smart speakers, I had to set up the Nest Mini using the Google Home app and selecting Add a new device. All I had to do was follow the instructions. And the Nest Mini was ready to use in 5 minutes, including 4 minutes of the software update. When pairing for the first time, the app might ask you for voice match. Link music services with options such as YouTube Music, Ghana, Spotify, and more. And video streaming services such as Netflix. Nest Mini can be paired using the Google Home app on iOS or Android platform. I opted for the former. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.